Hello friends, today we are going to cover the topic how to merge two files which we have extracted from Web of Science database and Scopus database. So till now, whenever we use the BiblioShiny, we were able to use either a file extracted from Web of Science or extracted from Scopus. So however, there is one coding available which with the help of which we can merge two files, Web of Science data and Scopus, and we can remove the duplicate entries as well with the help of coding, and we can use it in the BiblioShine, right? For that, I need to show you some processing. So I'm putting my sharing screen on sharing. You can see that in front of me, the Scopus window is open from where I will, take out the results on which I want to perform a bibliometric analysis. So I'm just writing a topic, any topic you can write. I'm just writing abusive supervision, right? And I'm just entering it. The basic idea behind this video is that how to merge two files. So that's why I'm not going into detail what results are coming and how we can, shortlist them. I'm not going into that. So I'm just taking one filter, business management accounting. So it will give me 386 results. It may take some time depending upon the speed of laptop internet. So you can see that we are available with 386 results. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the 386 results. Let me settle down this processing. And then I will export into BibTeX extension. So there are 4 or 5 options available. Earlier you used to take CSV file or BibTeX, any extension you can use if you really want to just put the data of Scopus. But if you are merging, then definitely you have to take the BibTeX extension and then you will export it. So we need to wait about that. You can see that it's going in my download file, Scopus 5 bib. At the same time, we can go to the Web of Science, and there also we can search for the same topic, same string we need to run. So abusive supervision. And within abusive supervision, we got 1036 result. So right now I'm just taking business. I'm going to refine it. Now I want to export it. For export, you know that I'm needing all the records from 1 to 255. And I'm using plain text. As you know that in Web of Science, we can take only 500 record in one time. At this time, we are available 255. And if we are available with more results than 500, how to merge that file, that video is already available on the channel. You can check it out from there. And you have to choose this option, full record and cited references. Now I will be exporting this as well. So that file will also go to the download folder. Now I quickly move to my download folder and I want to rename these file. It's not just to any simple name. So let's say I'm renaming it ABS, abusive supervision. Okay. And similarly, let me see that whether that file has been, this is save DERCS. So I need to look about this file. This is the file. I again rename it to ABS. Now what I will do, I will go to the R folder, R software, and there I will run quick 5-7 commands, and then my file will be merging. So this is library bibliometrics. First I need to call this function. Then library XLSX because it helps in reading the CSV file. So I'm calling it as well. Now I need to import my web of data file. See, by default, the working directory is document. So first of all, you need to set your working directory where at that place where your file is kept. My file is in the download folder. So I'll set download as my working directory, right? So in download folder, the name of my file is abs.txt. So I will simply write the name and I will press Control Enter. So you can see that it has been done. Similarly, for the Scopus also, my file is named as avs.big. So this is the whole, coding which is there. I can show you like this. And then I need to run a command which will help me in removing the duplicate entries. So it is saying that 116 are the duplicate entries. Then I need to combine the file and I need to give the file name. This is combined abs.xls. So you can give any name. So what it will do, it will make a combined file and it will, make a combined file of CSV format. So this has been done. So you can check it out from the downloads. This is combined ABS XLS, right? Now what we will do, we will simply go to the new script where I am just writing two, coding lines, as you know, for the BiblioShiny, library bibliometrics and BiblioShiny. The moment I control enter the BiblioShiny, I'll be moved to my browser window. There I'll import the file. This time I'll import the file, load bibliometrics file. Otherwise we need to, always import like import raw file. Now this time we are loading the import file. Now this is the browse. In browse, we know that our file is in the downloads. So this is our file. We have just attached this file. We have started it and here we go. So you can check your file, main information. You can see that the whole data is there. You can see that it has started working as well. So you can get informations, right? This is for now, till now. Thank you so much.